SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing online content to improve its visibility in search engine results.
The goal is to increase organic, non-paid traffic to a website. SEO works by considering how search engines operate, what people are searching for, and the algorithms that determine which content appears in search results. Keywords. Identifying and using relevant keywords in your content that users are likely to search for. Content quality. Creating high quality, relevant, and valuable content that satisfies user intent. On-page optimization. Optimizing elements on your website such as title, tags, meta descriptions, and headers to make them more search engine friendly. Link building. Acquiring high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites which can improve your site's authority. User experience. Ensuring a positive user experience on your site, including fast loading times, mobile friendliness, and easy navigation. Technical SEO. Addressing technical aspects like website structure, crawling, and indexing to make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your content. Social signals. Considering the impact of social media on SEO, as social signals can indirectly influence search engine rankings. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to analyze and rank websites based on these factors. The goal is to present users with the most relevant and valuable content for their queries. Keep in mind that SEO is an ongoing process, and staying up to date with industry changes is crucial for maintaining and improving Your website's search engine visibility. Thanks for watching.